Hello dear children, today your chapter is your chapter 16, area of trapezium and polygon. Before going to your area of trapezium, first I have to tell you the area of rectangle, square, triangle, parallelogram, equilateral triangle, circle, which one is earlier you studied in previous classes. Then in previous class also you know the perimeter. Okay, perimeter and areas of this, all the quadrilaterals and all the triangles, all the polygons. Okay, so perimeter of rectangle, you all of you know perimeter of rectangle, sum of all sides. What is perimeter? The total distance covered by the shape. So sum of all sides, that means length, breadth and breadth. So L plus B plus L plus B, that means 2L and 2B. So you take common 2, then L plus B. This is your perimeter of rectangle. Then perimeter of square is your 4 sides. All sides are equal. So 4 into sides. Then what is triangle? Sum of all 3 sides. Your perimeter of triangle. Okay. In case of circle, you can tell it circumference. Circumference of circle. Circumference of circle, the formula is 2 pi r, where r is the radius and pi, what is the value of pi? 22 upon 7. Yeah, 3.14. Now, area of rectangle, your length into breadth, your area of square, side into side, area of triangle, half into base into height, and your area of parallelogram is your base into height, and area of an equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 a square, that's where a is the side of the triangle. Okay, then area of the circle is your pi r square. In previous classes, you already just knew about this, all the areas. In this case, in this class, your new you have to find out area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium, what is the formula? Area of trapezium is half into h into a plus b. What is a and b? A and b are the, a and b are two parallel sides of the trapezium. What is trapezium? Trapezium, a quadrilateral having two opposite sides are parallel. Okay, so suppose A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Let it be A, let it be B, the two parallel sides. AB parallel to CD. So the parallel sides A and B are two parallel sides. This is your height h. So half into h into A plus B. How can you derive this one? Suppose I extend this line CD, DC up to C, extend, then you draw another height, okay, let it be A, and you join the, suppose you get the rectangle DCE, DCB, suppose this one F. You get DEBF is a rectangle. This is already height of the triangle. Okay. If you draw a height from the V, from the vertex to the base DC, okay. So DEBF is a rectangle. Okay. Now if you join DB, join the rectangle of DEBF, okay, join the diagonal DEBF, then what is the area of DAB triangle and DEB triangle? So area of trapezium is your area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BDE. So area of triangle ABD is your base, is your AB, that means let it be A, and your height. So half into base is your AB into height is your DF, plus in this triangle your base is your half into CD into BE is the height. So half, this is your A, this is your H, plus half B into H. This is also height. Okay, so you take common half H, A plus B. So this is the formula, area of trapezium. So you have to remember the formula, area of trapezium is your half into height into sum of two parallel sides. Clear? This is area of trapezium. Let's do a questions. Simplify your questions. Your question, your exercise, question number 2. Okay, a garden is in the form of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 40 meter and 20 meter and the perpendicular distance between them is 12 meter. Find the area. So in question number 2, your height given, your height, perpendicular distance, that means the height of this trapezium, okay, 12 meter, and your two parallel sides given 40 meter and 22 meter. Suppose A is your 40 meter and B is your 22 meter. You have to find out the area. So you just applying the formula, your area is your half into H into A plus B. What is H? H is your 12. Then A plus B, 40 plus 22 meter. So half, you can cut also 2 and 12, 6. So 6 into 40 plus 22. How much? 40 plus 22 is your 62 meter. 372 meter square. Okay. So what is the area of the trapezium? 372 meter square. This is your area of trapezium. Now we have to find out the area of rhombus and area of polygon also. So first, area of rhombus. This is your area of trapezium. Now area of rhombus. What is rhombus? It is a parallelogram having all sides are equal. Clear? A parallelogram having all sides are equal is called rhombus. What is the formula? This is your half into D1 into D2, where D1 and D2 are two diagonals. Okay. Suppose ABCD, they intersect, the diagonals AC and BD, they intersect at O. Okay. So you know that the diagonals perpendicular bisect to each other. Okay. In case of rhombus, the diagonals perpendicular bisect each other. So these angles here 90 degree. Clear? So now in triangle, first you find the area of ABD and then area of DBC, then you add, then you get the area of rhombus. So in triangle ABD, triangle ABD, this is your half into base. You know the area of triangle is your half into base into height. So in triangle ABD, area is area of triangle ABD is your half into your base. Base is your BD. Let it be BD. And your height is your AO. Clear? then area of triangle BDC is your half into BD into CO. Why AO and CO are the heights? Because they are perpendicular bisector. Okay, so area of rhombus is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BDC. That means half into BD into AO plus half into BD into CO. You take common half into BD, okay, AO plus CO. That means half into BD into AC, where AO and CO is your AC. That means so two diagonals, let it be D1 and D2. Half into D1 into D2, area of rhombus. Okay, so area of rhombus is your half into D1 into D2. This is your half area of rhombus. Similarly, if you will find the area of a quadrilateral, polygon, like that. So area of a quadrilateral, suppose area of a quadrilateral, area of a quadrilateral. Okay, suppose ABCD is a quadrilateral, you join one diagonal, then you draw a height from D to the diagonal AC and from B to the diagonal AC. Okay. Similarly, if you find out that area of ACD and area of ABC, then you get the area of the quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. So area of triangle ABC, so let it be E, let it be F. So ABC is your half into AC into BE plus half into AC into DF. Okay, you can live like this. You can take half into AC, you can take BE plus DF. Half into D1 D into H1 plus H2, where D is the diagonal, H1 and H2 are the two heights, where D is the diagonal, any one diagonal, not only AC, it may be BD. Okay, any one diagonal given. Then height H1 and H2, the heights of the triangle. Okay, H1 and H2 are the two heights of this quadrilateral. This is the formula of area of a quadrilateral or area of polygon. Suppose one polygon given shape like that. Take a book. This is suppose one pentagon given. Okay, question asking find the area of the pentagon. So you can join like that. Then you first find this rectangle, and then you will find out the triangle. Then you add then you get the area of this pentagon, like that. Okay, this is your all about your area of trapezium and the polygons. Clear? Thank you.